Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. It is a great pleasure and an honor to be here today. I would like to thank the conference organizers and the session chair for this opportunity to share our research. My name is Heru Sutejo. I am from Department Information System in University 10 November, Papua, Indonesia. Today, I will present our research entitled Optimization of Cybersecurity Vulnerability Handling Prioritized based on Composite Risk Scores using Integer Linear Programming on the CWE dataset 1999-2025. Thank you for your attention. I hope you find this presentation informative and valuable. Let's begin. Uh, this is slide 2. This is the author team consisting of myself as the first author and Mr. Widodo MMSE from the Jayapura University of Science and Technology as the second author. This presentation will cover several contents. One, background. Number two, problem statement and objective. Three, methodology. Four, research result. Five, research novelty. Six, conclusion. We have going to slide 4, background. We are now cybersecurity threats have increased significantly over the past decade. Every year, thousands of new software vulnerabilities are reported in the National Vulnerability Database. By 2025, more than 218.5694 common vulnerabilities and exposures or CVEs have been published. However, organizations usually have limited resources, including budgets, personnel, and remediation time. As a result, security teams cannot patch every vulnerability immediately. They must determine which vulnerabilities should be addressed first. Most exciting vulnerability management approach really primarily on the Common Vulnerability Scoring System, or we are now CVSS. Although CVSS measures technical severity, it does not consider organizational constraints such as limited remediation budgets, available maintenance time, or the need to maximize overall risk reduction. Therefore, there is a need for an optimization-based decision support model that can be prioritize vulnerability remediation more effectively. Research problem and objectives. Problem: how can cybersecurity vulnerabilities be prioritized optimally under limited organizational resource? Objective: 1. To develop a composite risk-based prioritization model. Number 2, to formulate vulnerability prioritization as an integer linear programming optimization problem. Number 3, to evaluate the effectiveness of the proposed model using the NVD CVE CWE dataset from 1999 to 2025. We're going to methodology. The study follows a quantitative experimental research design. First, vulnerability data were collected. from the National Vulnerability Database, covering the period from 1999 to 2025. We have 218.694 entries. Next, data preprocessing was performed to remove incomplete records and prepare the dataset for analysis. Several important attributes were extracted, including CVSS best score, exploitability score, impact score, vulnerability age, and anticipated remediation cost, estimated remediation time. A composite risk score was then calculated by combining these risk indicators. Finally, integer linear programming was used to determine the optimal subset of vulnerabilities while satisfying budget and remediation time constraints. The optimization model was implemented using PULP and the CBC solver. Ratio, the ILP model, or integer linear programming, successfully found an optimal solution with an optimal status using the CBC solver in under 120 seconds. Of the 500 candidate vulnerabilities, the model selected 20 vulnerabilities with an objective value of 13.3846. A summary of the baseline scenario results is shown in table. This is the result when objective value 13.3846. Total risk score in maximization. We have the graph. This is the budget is 100 utilized while only 18% of the time is utilized and the number of pages is only 40% of the maximum capacity. This confirms that the budget is the only binding constraint limiting the number of vulnerabilities that can be addressed, and the ILP model consistently select all 20 vulnerabilities from the critical category because this category has the highest composite risk score and requires the highest cost per enterprise. 5,000 units, so the budget is exactly at the 20 patch mark. 20 times 5,000 equals 100,000 units. An interesting finding from this comparison is the identical average risk score of 0.6692 across all scenarios. This indicates that the model consistently selects vulnerability with the highest risk profiles, regardless of the stringency of the constraints applied. Novelty. Instead of relying solely on CVSS severity scores, this study proposed a composite risk scores the integrated multiple risk indicators. Vulnerability prioritization is formulated as an integer linear programming optimization problem, allowing multiple operational constraints to be considered simultaneously. The study evaluated the model using one of the largest publicly available cybersecurity dataset covering CVA records from 1999 to 2025. The key contribution are we have three. The key number one, a new optimization framework for vulnerability prioritization. Number two, a practical decision support model for cybersecurity managers. Number three, a reproducible methodology that can be adapted by organizations with limited remediation resources. The conclusion, this research proves that the mathematical optimization approach is capable of predicting more structured and measurable priority decision than the conventional CVSS-based approach alone. Sensitivity analysis identified budget as the only binding constraint across all scenarios, while the deadline lagged after 400 hours, and the patch limit did not become abatomic. Further, research is recommended to integrate real-time threat intelligence data such as EPSS or exploit prediction scoring system. A dependency constraints between vulnerabilities in the ILP formulation and validate the model using historical data from the organization to improve the accuracy and applicability of the model. Thank you very much for your attention. I sincerely appreciate your time and interest in this research. I will be happy to answer any question or discuss any comments and suggestion. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dari Papua.